Fatal car accidents are one of the most common situations, at least in my experience, that can lead to wrongful death claims. When a crash results in the loss of a loved one, families often want to understand what legal options might be available, and the purpose of this video is to help shed light on that. My name is Zach Anderson. I'm a co-owner at 217 Law and an injury attorney in Central Illinois. And in this video, I just want to briefly explain how wrongful death claims can arise after fatal car accidents in Illinois. If a person passes away because of a car accident that was caused by somebody else's negligence, then Illinois law does allow the family to pursue a wrongful death claim. Common examples of negligent driving, which may lead to wrongful death cases, include things like speeding, distracted driving, running red lights or stoplights, impaired driving, or failure to yield the right of way. Had a wrongful death case once, for example, where a semi truck pulled out in front of a car and led to a person passing away. Failure to, they ran a stop sign essentially. Had another wrongful death case once where a driver, same actually same kind of an issue. A driver um, darted out right in front of another car. Collision occurred. Person passed away. I think in that case the person was texting, which is unfortunately pretty common. And in situations like this, where there is a wrongful death that arises out of a car accident, a personal representative of the deceased person's estate brings a wrongful death lawsuit. Wrongful death claims can seek compensation for losses suffered by the family, including things like lost financial support, lost companionship, grief and sorrow, and then funeral and burial expenses. Fatal car accident cases can involve a lot of different evidence. Include things like police crash reports, including the report that's prepared by police officers that respond to the scene, as well as any investigation reports put together by reconstruction experts like the state police. Witness statements, photographs, videos, in a lot of wrongful death cases, expert witnesses are obtained to do a full reconstruction analysis. Every case is a little bit different, but in wrongful death cases, again, because the person has one of the people involved has passed away, they're not able to tell their side of the story, and so the what actually happened typically has to be built up from other forms of evidence. Insurance coverage can also play a very important role in these types of cases, particularly when determining what type of compensation can be available. And a lot of times in wrongful death cases, there's a lot of different insurance policies that come into play, which can make things a little bit more complex. If your family has lost somebody in a fatal car accident in Illinois, it's very important to consult with a good personal injury slash wrongful death attorney sooner rather than later, because evidence can disappear, memories fade, etc. And it's very important to conduct an investigation as soon as possible after a person passes away. And so even if you're still grieving, it's important to reach out to a lawyer as soon as you're able to do so. If this incident occurred in Central Illinois and you have any interest in working together, then please feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to talk to you, see if my law firm might be a good fit, and see if we might be able to help you.